you can give your family? Money, time, experiences, or simply being present? Ayan. So, money, time, experiences, or just being present. That's our trivia.
I think of those, time and presence are kind of intertwined. And I think that would be my answer. And I think one of the trade-offs that when a Filipino goes abroad is that you don't have the ability to be physically present. But kind of in the same way that we talked about what home means to us, that presence can still be shown in the way that you think of others, the way that you send support, in the different everyday habits that stack for you to really help your family. I had mentioned my dad, and one of the things that I wish I had more time and more presence being there. And I think that's one of the things that is most meaningful. And when we think of how we help Filipinos be more present, we think about how our technology and our app makes it easy and easier and more accessible for you to be there for the ones that you love.
Thank you, Sir Leo. Miss Kim?
Ako naman, magkaiba naman yung lahat kasi kailangan natin sa buhay yan. Pera, oras, maging present sa pamilya, pero hindi lahat binibigay sa atin, unfortunately. Lalo na sa mga kababayan natin abroad, na oo, may pera sila doon, pero wala silang oras para makasama, maging present sa pamilya nila. Maswerte ka na lang kung meron ka lahat nun. Pero yung parang dalawang ano siya eh. May pera ka pero hindi ka masaya. Marami kang oras pero may problema ka din sa ano. Pero if you're lucky enough, sana meron ako lahat nun. Para lahat naman ng tao hinihingi yun. Pero dahil sa circumstances na mga buhay-buhay natin, iba-iba naman ang takbo, mas mahalaga siguro ang time. Kasi hindi mo naman, yun na lang ang hindi mo maibabalik eh. Ang pera babalik, kikitain mo ulit, ganyan. Pero dapat huwag mo gastusin sobra-sobra. Pero ang oras hindi mo mababalik. Yung nangyari kahapon, hindi mo na mababalik yun. So, yun lang. Time talaga is very important. Para makapag-work ka pa, and at the same time, makasama mo yung family mo, and kumita ka ng pera.
I agree. Buti na lang din talaga yung World Remit. When you send money, you save a lot of time. Because it's fast.
Fast, easy, reliable, and convenient.
True.
Yes.
And vegetables.
Okay, hindi vegetable, we're bringing it up.
Ito naman, you love that. Miss Kim?
Ako parang ganun din, bilang Chinese, boksingero kami. Ano talaga, so parang ang na-share sa akin is mag-invest talaga. Kasi hindi naman lagi nilang sinasabi sa akin na hindi naman forever itong trabaho ko. So dapat iniingatan ko talaga yung pera ko. And also, yun lang, mag-share ka and huwag maging greedy sa pera. Hanggat meron at pwede kang makatulong, tutulong tayo.
Kuripot pero tutulong. Mag-share.
Mag-share.
Love it. Thank you, Miss
New campaign that we're launching together with Kim. I think what I love about yesterday's shoot and the campaign that we're building together is we're both using kind of the personal stories of Kim and bringing that out and how it relates to being a breadwinner, while we're also touching on the real stories and realities of OFWs. So you're going to see the emotional, the funny, the relatable, and it's just all this creativity kind of put into a campaign, and that really is what World Remit and Kim Chiu are bringing in the next coming months, and that's what I'm most excited about. But of course, we're very excited about Bahay Mo, Panalo Mo, being able to launch it for the 4th year, that our World Remit users will be able to have the chance to win cash prizes at the end of the month, and of course, a house and lot in the Philippines. And there's just so many things that we're excited to continue to launch and support, and just dive deeper into how we continue to support the Filipino community.
Looking forward for that. Thank you. And of course, thank you again, Miss Kim Chiu and Sir Leo, for sharing with us your stories.